Vincent, are we happy? Okay, I bet you're wondering what's in the case. Well, here we go. Here we go. 2 light wands, 2 handles for the light wands, and 2 mini ball heads, and 2 remote controls, and 2 charging cables. The case, it didn't come in a case. This is my case. I put these 2 light wands in. If you got that intro, if you know where that came from, go ahead and put it down in the comments. Say, got it. Don't give it away. Just say, got it. And I'll know. Let's see how many people actually know where that intro came from. All right. So now I have our model Maud, and she's going to model for us. So I've got these 2 light sticks, wands if you were, set up in Rembrandt lighting. So anyway, I'm going to shut this main light off so it's just, you can see it better. The lighting, I've got this one set at, let me see. This is 50% and this one is at 40%. So let's see what that looks like once I have the lights off. For our next trick, lighting trick that is, we are going to use this at 1% power, and I'm not going to shine it towards the camera because it'll just give me some lens flare that won't work. So I'm just going to use it going up and down all around and see how that works out for us. So I'm going to shut this light off again, and so we get the full effect. Now, can you still see me? Yeah, that's a little spooky. But anyway, I'm going to set this for about a 15-second exposure, and actually about a 12-second exposure. I've got it written down what I'm doing, but the last thing I'll do is her face, because if this is a live model, they're going to move around during that time, even though they're holding very still. So if you, last thing you do is you light the face, that'll freeze frame them. Okay, so let's get started. One of the lighting setups I used for one of my short films was this right here. It's Killer Clowns. If you haven't seen it, I'll put a link down in the description. Go check it out. So anyway, the clown was standing here, and I put one of these lights on either end, off camera, of course. And it was simple. It was so good. As you can see, these are fun. These are a lot of fun and very useful if you're doing a model portrait or still life, product work, anything. Be creative and pick yourself some of these up. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. What the hell? Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and happy shooting.